Okay, so here is our application, and this is the mainnet one, and here is the local host one. Actually, in the mainnet one, we have to while deploying projects, we have to use the real fund. So for now, I'm showing in the local host. So here we can create projects, and let me show you. So here I can give the project name and description. And here is our investment token, which is chain key Bitcoin. And here I will include the minimum raise and maximum raise. And here are the 6 phases, like fundraising and acquisition, design and architectural, and many more construction revenue phase. I'll hit continue. Here are the links. I will skip them for now, and then click on register project. Okay, so our project has been registered. Yeah, so here it is. And here is our canister ID also. And here are some of the details like amount raised, target goal, and withdrawn unlockable min raise. So I will connect my internet identity. And here are the 6 phases of display. And I will start by depositing some funds in this project as an investor. So I will do 0.001. Okay, so here it will show the funding progress also. And the developer can fund the interest reserve, and the investors can then claim the principal amount and also the interest accrued along with that. So I will also fund the interest reserve.
You have to unmute, Ritesh.
Hello, am I audible?
Just
Yes.
reshare and you're unmuted. Thank you.
Okay.
So, Ritesh, I just had one question from the legal perspective. Fascinating demo, and looks like it would add a lot of efficiency to launching proposals, which is pretty cool. Question for you: within your builds, do you have any section that covers off some of the regulatory requirements around soliciting investment? So a section with disclaimers or an analysis for where the investor funds are being sourced?
Like for each phase, we are uploading the developer is uploading the documents. So those documents are being verified.
Mm-hmm. And so the developer would themselves include the relevant disclaimers in their product documents, and that would be in the document section?
Yes.
Okay. So I think that covers it. suggestion for you to think about it. Most investment platforms, you may be familiar for financial institutions, have that screen that make you tick saying what part of the world that you're from. So that includes automatic disclaimers. And you might want to and that's usually in addition to the documents. So you could think about having that first screen for anyone who's accessing an investor or anyone before they click to deposit funds. They may be presented with an actual disclaimer and forced to select which region they're from, which then effectively covers off some of the regulatory risk regarding the fact that you're complying with the laws of wherever they are or they're from.
Yes, yes, I got it. Basically, like I am based in India, but we are building this project by discussing with an actual real estate developer who is from Canada, and he
Yep.
has also uh, uh, hired a lawyer. So the compliance is like based on that only.
Yeah, exactly. So that could be something to add to your build. It's like one step, but framework looks good. That was my sort of only comment for this session. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Abraham, did you have a question?
Yeah, I think I agree with Boron. Like that was like my main comment also. Like it's about like legal compliance and risks management basically because I think for me like the architecture is like all good. Like the whole like technical bits is good, but then how would you like also like ensure that a developer does not default and ensure that like the funds are like being like channeled to the right like purposes basically. So that's and I think like disclaimers and like terms and conditions and stuff like that would like help go a long way. So yeah.
Okay, thank you. And Sid, did you have a question?
Yeah, Ritesh, great pitch. I had two questions. So, first one being that you guys, or if you put this product in the market, then you guys would be the one who are approving the developer, right? It's not
Yes,
permissionless that anyone can join in.
no, no.
Okay. And what is, again, like leading up to the question, like, how would you go around the KYC requirements for this?
It's a KYC requirement.
Yeah, because the laws for RWA is going to be different in different companies, right? Different countries, sorry.
Yeah, so like as I said, primarily we are building this for only one developer who is from Canada. So we like built it based on that only. So like we didn't consider the fact that uh, that this app would be available to all developers from different countries, basically.
Mm-hmm. And would you guys also have kind of yield opportunities, like people who own certain aspect of real estate development, they would get certain like assets on the chain. So will they be able to stake it and then generate yields of it? Like for example, the value of a property increases every year, right? If it's in a prime location. So will them holding that tokens also increase in value?
Mm, that I'm not sure of. Actually, we have like I'm not the team leader. I am the person behind the the technical part of it. So I'm not sure about that basically.
Okay, okay, cool. Thank
Thank
you.
Tanner, did you have a question?
I would just echo basically everything that everyone else has said, and then I just want to confirm. You're doing ICP, and if you do implement some of the stuff that everybody's talking about, I think this could be, you know, part of the legal regulation and law ICP track. But as it stands right now, is it just the Bitcoin track for the ICP?
The question is, which track are you building on? We know ICP, but are you under the legal and regulation? Are you trying to do it also under the Bitcoin? Which one would you like consideration under?
Yeah, we are applying for both the tracks basically under the legal one and the CNK Bitcoin also.
Okay.
Oh, okay, then yeah, then I definitely want to echo everyone's comments about trying to integrate some of the legal stuff, and then I think that would make you a better candidate for both of them.
Okay.
Okay.
And then my only question to you is, what challenges did your team face, and where is your team based? Where it sounds like you are you have someone in Canada, but where else is your team based?
Yes, so I'm from India and my team lead is also from India,
Okay, great.
and some of the like challenges I faced was like during development. So I come from a EVM background where I have deployed built projects on Ethereum. So uh, like that were the development part was a bit hard to grasp. And also I started late. I started like 10 or 11 days before the hackathon. So yeah, that was also like if we had more time, we could have like come up with uh, a better project maybe.